Hi, I'm Steve Poftak, General Manager of the MBTA. Earlier this week, I joined Governor Charlie Baker at Maverick Station to assess Blue Line construction and observe our shuttle operations. On May 18th, the Blue Line closed from Airport to Bowdoin Station and will reopen on Sunday, May 31st. Construction includes track replacement and tunnel repairs that, when complete, will eliminate existing speed restrictions, making for a faster commute. There are too many departments and skilled workers to thank by name, but today I wish to recognize the work of several of these departments. Maintenance of Way has replaced over 2,000 feet of rail between Aquarium and Maverick. The AFC department has completed the overhaul of fare equipment at Airport, Maverick, Bowdoin, and Aquarium stations. Transit facility maintenance has made important safety upgrades in our stations. The Power Department has provided one of the most critical functions to ensure the safe operation of the MBTA. The Transit Police have provided amazing support to our bus diversion, and I also want to thank our operations team for running one of our largest diversions to date. In addition, I want to thank our capital delivery team, which has been busy managing an army of contractors. Blue Line construction is part of the MBTA's $8 billion Building a Better T program to replace subway vehicles, modernize stations, upgrade tracks, signals, and switches, all to make the MBTA a better, safer, and more reliable transit system. By utilizing full-day closures, we will complete construction more than 2 months sooner than previously planned and bring Blue Line service back quicker for essential trips. This is the first significant system closure since the outbreak of the COVID-19 virus and the governor's release of the Reopening Advisory Board's plan on strategies to reopen the economy. For the T, it was an opportunity to implement and adhere to social distancing practices for our construction contractors, employees, and customers. What we learned over the past 2 weeks will inform our practices as we ramp up for the next Building a Better T project, Green Line work along the D branch, which is slated for 2 9-day full closures. The first 9-day closure begins Saturday, June 6th and goes through Sunday, June 14th. The second 9-day closure begins Saturday, June 20th and goes through Sunday, June 28th. Work will include replacing and welding more than 3.5 miles of running rail, replacing almost a half mile of timber ties, and continuing work on the signal system. Through these full-day closures, we will complete construction almost 3.5 months sooner than previously planned. As the economy slowly reopens following Governor Baker's 4-phased approach, we cannot lose sight of the benefits of social distancing and the importance of utilizing personal protective equipment. It bears repeating the efforts the MBTA has taken to provide a safer transit experience for our employees and customers. In our stations and facilities, we will continue to disinfect touch points in high-traffic facilities twice a day, disinfect touch points on surfaces such as handrails, fare gates, and fare vending machines in core subway stations once every 4 hours, disinfect with fogging, electrostatic sprayers, and manual disinfection wipes and solutions. On our bus and rail vehicles, we are decontaminating all revenue vehicles nightly, performing midday decontamination at layover locations daily by wiping down operator cabs and high-touch locations. We're wiping down cab, fare box, and entrances for the first and second shift bus pullbacks. We're also performing electrostatic fogging every 2 weeks on all of our bus vehicles. For our employees, we're providing employee fever screening at our facilities and COVID-19 testing at designated locations. We've received over 1 million masks. We've procured 125,000 washable cloth masks that will be provided to frontline employees. We've provided our frontline employees with 10 masks and office staff with 5 each. We've also ordered face shields for employees that cannot socially distance, including 15,000 to be donated by Procter & Gamble and Gillette, and 1,000 that are compatible with hard hats. And hand sanitizer filling continues at Everett, with a pair of 275-gallon drums in use for filling personal-sized containers. The MBTA remains in Phase 1 of the Reopening Advisory Board's plan on strategies to reopen the economy. We will rely on guidance from the Department of Public Health and direction from the Reopening Advisory Board to help inform our decision on when and under what conditions to transition to the second phase. Please do your part. Whether you're an administrative employee, frontline operator, or a valued customer, wear your face covering on the MBTA and practice social distancing as feasible. Thank you for watching today, and I welcome your comments.